So it's currently about 1 p.m. on the East Coast, and we have Palantir stock up almost 0.5%. And earlier in the day, guys, it was up even more. We hit over $75 per share. Now we're at $72.75 in the midst of an overall red day for the stock market. So, guys, we have to break down Palantir, the charts, what I'm looking to do. But first, hit that like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. What the heck are you guys waiting for? Use that link down below. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You'll get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You'll get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So again, guys, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Take a sip of that coffee. You're going to need it for this video, and let's get into it. So Palantir, man, what a roller coaster ride it has been. Just a couple of days ago, this thing was at $68 per share after hitting $82 per share just a couple of days before that. And now, well, we hit $70 in the pre-market today. Then we hit 70, almost $6 as the market opened, and now we're down to 73. So we're all over the place. We rocketed right out of the gate this morning, guys. We opened up at around $72 a share, popped about, 5%. Now we're back to about $73 per share. So we are down about 3.5% from the intraday high. And on the 5-day, 5-minute, guys, now we can see, well, number one, consolidation, clearly. And number two, we're starting to bounce off of that support being about $72, $72.50. We bounced off of it this morning. Now we're coming down to retest that support again. Let's see if we bounce off of it yet again, guys. It's possible, right? So, yeah, we hit $82. We then pull down. Now we're consolidating over the last couple of days, 1, 2, 3, 4-ish, 3.5, 4 days of trading, and now we're starting to pop. And guys, the NASDAQ 100 announcement, I believe, is tomorrow, the 13th, on Friday, so keep your eyes on that. If, Palantir gets included in the NASDAQ 100, this could go ballistic. Let's just say that. Maybe it starts going mid-high 70s again, 80s again. Who the heck knows where this is going to go? But overall, we're seeing good signs. We got a huge move to 82, followed by the pullback, much-needed pullback at that, and now we've been consolidating, right? Holding 70, $72 pretty steady. Now, let's see if we can make that move back to the mid-70s, maybe past that point, so Palantir could really start to break out again. And look, on this time frame, we have an inverse head and shoulders in the making. Do you guys see it? We have the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder's kind of right here. You guys see that? So if this plays out like a textbook inverse head and shoulders, which it's not the most beautiful inverse head and shoulders, let's be honest here, but if it does play out, this might start doing something like this, what I just indicated here with this arrow. So PLTR on the 5-day is looking interesting. On the 30-minute chart, you guys see it's trying to get back over this 180 moving average, which if it does, that'd be the breakout spot. So let me actually set my alert again. Might as well at $75 per share. Mark is at or above $75 per share. Let's see what it does there. If it breaks that, again, the inverse head and shoulders starts to play out. Mid-high 70s, dare I say 80s, could be in the cards again in the short term. And on the 1-hour chart, you guys can see with today's 0.5% green day, the move we saw earlier in the day to 75, over $75. Now Palantir is bouncing off of the 180 SMA on this time frame. Again, this is the 1-hour time frame, and now we're bouncing over the 50 SMA as well with today's move. So, yeah, guys, bulls are looking pretty good, getting a bit excited ahead of this NASDAQ 100 announcement, which we'll see how that ends up playing out. But yeah, that's what's going down today, guys, as it is about 1 p.m. right now, East Coast time. And we do have all the indexes in the red. The S&P 500 is currently down 0.25%. NASDAQ, QQQ down 0.4%. Russell's down 0.8%. Not the best day for the small caps. And the Dow is down 0.25% right now. So we're down across the board. VIX is up 1.4%. The metals are down. Silver's down 4%. Gold's down 1.7%. It's one of those days, guys, and Palantir is moving in the face of that. Again, up 0.5%, and earlier it was up even more. I think, like I said, we were up 5% at one point when we popped at open. So what do you guys think? I'm actually curious. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And by the way, we're still above the 50 SMA right now. Even though we sold off from $82 to about $68, we have held this 50 SMA on the 4-hour chart like clockwork, which, guys, newsflash, it's held for the last month and a half at this point, ever since the company reported earnings in the beginning of November. And man, what a ride it's been since the beginning of November. Palantir's come up from $41 to now $73. We obviously hit 82, so the stock essentially doubled up in a month and a half. Again, after already doubling up from 20 to 40. So it went from 20 to 40, 40 to 80. You know, will it go from 80 to 160? Time will tell. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments about that. But yeah, that's what we're looking like right now. Still very bullish here as we're slowly wrapping up the week, guys. And we're doing this, again, like I said, in the face of a red day. And we do have some other movement out there in the stock market. You know, a lot of other stocks are moving today. We talked about Warner Brothers earlier in another video from earlier today, so we're not going to go over that again, but that's now up 15%. Celsius is up 5%. ARM Holdings is moving about 3.5%, looking pretty good. Other stocks moving. We have Best Buy, which I'm still waiting for this thing to break out. Who knows if it even will at this point. But we have a wedge here clearly on the 4-hour chart. My alert is set at 92.50. Let's see if we're able to get out of there. If so, this could be breaking out. But Best Buy is looking pretty good today, guys. BBY up a little bit. CRM up 1%, and this thing went crazy after earnings to 380. Then we pulled down to about 345, 350, 8% pullback, and now we're bouncing up 1%. We're at 358. We're popping off this 50 SMA on the 4-hour chart. So maybe, just maybe, guys, CRM starts going 375, 380 again. Maybe it starts going to that $400 milestone. Time will tell, guys. But yeah, in the midst of the red day, we are seeing some green. It's not all, it's not a huge bloodbath out there. We got some stocks moving, but nothing too crazy overall today. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, make sure to subscribe. 75% of you guys watch the content, but you're not subscribed. So make sure to do that and hit the like button. Let's get at least 250 likes. I challenge you guys, 250 likes on this video. Check out the Patreon as well while you're at it. That's linked down below. Join the email list, which that's free, also linked down below, and get your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, which, you guessed it, that's linked down below, and fund it with at least $100. You'll get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You'll get 10 more free stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.